The first form is known as the weak form. If we assume that the market is weak form efficient, we are saying that price and volume data are already reflected in the current price. What does that mean? That means that essentially your chartists, your technical analysts are not going to be able to make any money. Okay? Weak form means that any sort of candle patterns, Heikin-Ashi, Renko, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band, support, resistance, SMA, EMA, any of that stuff is not going to work, okay, because it's already been reflected in the current price. The next level is the semi-strong form efficiency. Notice that this builds on the weak form. So if a market is semi-strong form efficient, it also is weak form efficient. So according to the semi-strong form version of the EMH, all price and volume data are reflected, as well as all publicly available information. So that's your analyst reports, that's your mass media, that's your social media, that's pretty much any forums, anything that is available to the investing public is reflected in the price already. So whilst if the market was weak form efficient, technical analysts were not able to make money. With semi-strong form efficiency, neither technical nor fundamental analysts are going to be able to outperform the market on a risk-adjusted basis. Now, remember, while technical analysts are looking at, as I said, supports and resistances, fundamental analysts are looking at DCF, multiples, valuation models, the economy, the macro, the headwinds in the economy, the tailwinds in the economy. So not even these guys are going to be able to analyze their way out and beat the market. That's assuming that the market is semi-strong form efficient.